Assalamu alaikum, dear ninth class students. I hope you all are doing well. And you people know it very well that we are studying a chapter that is Nazism and the rise of Adolf Hitler. Today, we have to discuss a very important subtopic of this chapter, that is the years of depression. The topic to be discussed today is named as the years of depression. Before giving you the detailed explanation regarding this topic, let me take you through the previous topic. The name of the previous topic was Effects of the War. Dear students, let me remind you that it was the war which was started in 1914 and came to an end in 1918, known as First World War. The First World War affected the entire European continent both psychologically and financially. That means the people of European continent were in both psychological and financial depression because of World War I. Weimar Republic was forced to pay compensation. Those who supported these, mainly socialists, Catholics and Democrats, become easy target of attack in the conservatives nationalist circles called the November criminals. You know, after First World War, soldiers were placed above civilians all over European continent. Politicians and media glorified the lives of soldiers. Aggressive war propaganda and national honor became the center stage of the republic. Now this topic, that is the years of depression. You know, the years between 1924 to 1928 were of economic stability when we talk of the German country. That means from 1924 to 1928, there was economic stability in Germany. Germany was dependent on short-term loans, largely from USA, right? 1928 तक जर्मनी की इकोनॉमी स्टेबल थी from 1924 to 1928. Why so? Because Germany was dependent on short-term loans, largely from USA. But this support was withdrawn with the crash in 1929 of the Wall Street Exchange. What is this Wall Street Exchange? It is the name of the world's biggest stock exchange located in the USA. ठीक है, तो जब वॉल स्ट्रीट एक्सचेंज का क्रैश हुआ, Germany's economy hit badly and great economic depression started. What is this great economic depression? About this we will study in class 10th inshallah. By 1932, industrial production reduced to 40%, due to which workers lost their jobs. Hence, the number of unemployed workers increased to 6 million. Right? Economic crisis created deep fears in people. Middle classes, salaried employees, pensioners, businessmen, retailers, etc. saw their earning got ruined. Another defect was Article 48, which gave the president the powers to impose emergency, suspended civil rights and rule by decree. Within its short life, the Weimar Republic saw 20 different cabinets lasting on about 239 days, and a liberal use of Article 48. Right? Still, the crisis could not be managed, and people lost confidence in democratic parliamentary system. When the people lost faith in this democratic parliamentary system, when they lost confidence in democratic parliamentary system, and on the other hand, when there was unemployment and peak, we also see that the Wall Street exchange crashed and Germany's economy fell down. All these refers that there were some years in the history of Germany which are known as the years of depression. Now, after that, we have to discuss the second important part of this chapter. It is Hitler's rise to power. What is this Hitler's rise to power? Who was Hitler? How did he dominate? How did he dominated the German country? About this, we will study in the coming lectures. Hope you will stay connected with me. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.